Let's get the Ninja Woodfire ProConnect XL outdoor grill and smoker set up so we can get the cooking. After placing the grill on a flat surface, put the grill grate inside on the heating element. Plug the thermometer into the jack on the control panel if you're going to cook based on the internal temperature of the food. Place a grease tray with the liner at the back of the grill. To add that smoky wood fire flavor, use the pellet scoop and fill the smoke box with pellets. Now, plug the grill into the power. If using an extension cord, ensure it's outdoor rated and use the shortest length you can. Use a 14 gauge extension cord for up to 25 feet or a 12 gauge for 25 to 50 feet in length. Don't use a cord longer than 50 feet. Set your grill function. Press the Woodfire flavor button for smoke. Adjust temperature and time and then press start to begin preheating. Preheating time varies, and it's worth the wait for better cooking results. Place your food when the grill display flashes add food. When it's done cooking, it will beep and done will be on the display.